Hi, we're team number 17, and we're Sharify. Every day in Huntsman, in buildings around campus, and in the community, there's someone that desperately needs an item. It might be Advil, it might be a charger. And here they are, they desperately need an item, and there's someone around them that has it. But they don't know the person that has it, and the person that hasn't doesn't know that they need the item. Our product is aimed at solving this issue and matching supply and demand in these everyday situations.
This semester, we created a Figma mockup demo of our front end of our platform and thought about a lot of design features of the app in doing so. At the core of our app, we have both borrowers and lenders using the same platform. Borrowers can search for a pre-selected set of items, such as a calculator, and quickly request access to borrowing those items. On the other side, we have lenders who select which items they're comfortable lending. And when a borrower requests an item, we ping the lender and handle the transaction process through the app.
So in terms of our matching algorithm, in the near term, we'll be using a greedy algorithmic approach optimized for matching efficiency. The way that we do this is by assigning every single lender in our network a certain score, which quantifies the likelihood that they would accept a given borrower request based on whether they have the item, based on their distance to the borrower, based on their availability and their lending history. All the parameters that we've outlined on the right. Now, once we've assigned every lender a score, we put them into tiers based on highest scoring lenders to lowest scoring lenders, and then we broadcast the network in those batches corresponding to the tiers until a certain lender accepts the borrowing request.
For our application, we'll be using React on the front end to build a cross-platform mobile application. We'll be leveraging Amazon Web Services, MongoDB, and Elk Stack in order to help monitor application performance, and we'll be using Firebase for push notifications.
When it came to deciding per transaction pricing system, we needed a system that balanced borrower incentives and lender incentives. We didn't want borrowers to feel like they're paying a cash fee per transaction, and we wanted lenders to continue lending with some incentive. And so we decided on a gamified point system so that lenders continue to lend in order to earn points that they can spend on the platform in the future. In terms of monetizing a platform, we intend to, amongst other things, form partnerships with retailers who might sell items on our platform.
So we have a few goals for the spring semester. So first, we're going to finalize the algorithm inputs, and then we're going to start mocking the data during December break. Then when we get back to school in January, our first goals will be designing the algorithm and initializing the database. That way, when we get to around February, we can start working on the front-end code. And then that whole time, we're going to be iterating on the pricing model. And then we're going to start testing documentation by the end of the semester.